It wasn't until I had my first job being in a kitchen that I was working at for 2.5 years. I've developed a passion for cooking. I realized there was a lot of creativity in it and art as well, which really excited my interest. While being in culinary school, I've really found a passion and a career choice that I would love to do for the rest of my life. Culinary school, in my opinion, is not like any other school. You have creativity, you have freedom. If you want to feel artistic, you can be artistic, you can be creative with this. You can have your own mindset and how you're in the kitchen cooking. When you're chopping up vegetables, how you want to plate your final dish. It's all running through your head, and it's like a symphony, almost in a way. If I had to describe one word about culinary school, it'd be freedom. It's the idea of using everything that you've learned so far to put into one dish, and that's what I really love to do.